So, today we are here in Como Centro, but now we just finished our lunch with my little son and we ate a McDonald's, and now I'm walking and pushing my baby stroller with my little son. Now I'm walking here from Como Center to Villa Olmo, and then I'm gonna be walking beside on the roads. This kind of roads there is for walking and cycling. Can do bicycle also here, can do jogging also over here, but for now I'm gonna be doing walking only because I have my son. I'm gonna going from Villa Olmo to Chernobyl here, so it's a long way to walk, and it's so good because it's a good beautiful view also with the lake here at Como. So yeah, so it's nice to pushing with the baby stroller. There you go, my son is sitting down. It's a good workout also for me. So thank you for watching.